Hi everyone, Alex here. Today I'm going to show you how to create floors in Revit. I'm going to give you a quick introduction first, and then we're going to create a structural wood floor, and on top of that we're going to create a finished wood floor. Let's get started. And remember, this video is part of our Revit multi-trade from 0 to 100 course. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, go ahead and watch them now, because if not, you're going to be completely lost. Hi everyone, this is Alex with BIMitUp, where we help you with professional training and coaching in mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire protection systems, and Autodesk platforms like Revit and AutoCAD MEP. Let's get started. Now let's drop a floor in our project, and the flooring here varies a little bit. So you have a main wood floor in this kitchen dining area, and in the south living, and the bedrooms, and this little hallway here. Then you have tile in the laundry area, and then you have a different tile here in the bathroom, and then you have a lower tile floor down here, and then another tile floor even lower down here. And that's the reason why I'm not doing a multi-layer floor. I'm going to do a single layer floor, and then I'm going to drop the finished floor on top of that. So let's start with the wood floor, and for that I'm going to come here to architecture, floor, and we can grab this generic 12-inch. We can edit the type, we can duplicate, and let's call it 1-inch plywood. Let's click OK. Now edit structure. I'm going to change this to 1 inch, and let's see if we can find some plywood. There you go, plywood. We click OK and OK, and now we're going to pick walls like this. And let's start here, here, here. I'm going to come here, 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 and here. And now I'm going to start trimming all over the place. So I do TR. I come from here to here. This one's already done. This one's already done. Then from here to here, remember you want to keep this side. So I want to click here and here. This one's already done. This one's already done. This one's already done. Actually, even though the bathroom has tile finish, it does have plywood underneath. So I'm actually going to delete this part here, and I'm just gonna trim with this one, and now I'm gonna trim this guy with this guy. But the closet and the AC are actually plywood as well, so I'm gonna do align, and then I'm going to align to this location. We should probably be locking to the walls, but since those are existing walls and those are not going to change, I'm not going to bother. Now we want to trim this guy, and then this guy and this guy. Just to be consistent, I'm going to keep this interior. So I'm going to align to here. And then I should be okay to click on finish. It gave me that little error because I need to trim this too, guys. So TR from here to here. And that should do it. Let's see. Remember, I have that structural wall, and I don't want it to go all the way up to the floor because I need to put the structural wood underneath that floor. So I'm just going to say no, don't attach. Let's take a look in 3D. So that's our floor right there. Very good. But now let's take a look at a section. Hold on. Use this same section. And here's our floor, but our floor should not go all the way up to the actual level. Let me change this to 1/2 inch. Since my finished wood's gonna be 1/2 inch, I want to drop this floor. So minus 1/2 inch. And now I can have my finished floor right here. And now I realize that the laundry also has plywood underneath the tile. So let's go ahead and edit that sketch. So tab, click on the floor, edit boundary. Then what we really want to do is I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to keep picking this wall. Notice that it automatically joined it. It did a poor job here. So I'm going to bring it down. Then I'm going to pick, not this wall, I'm going to pick this wall because this floor is lower. You see the steps here? So pick here. I flip the direction. It's telling me it's going to unjoin. That's fine. And now let's do our magic. So TR. I'm going to keep this side. I'm going to keep this side. And then that's it. Now we click finish. Same question again. Let's take a look in 3D view. Now it's looking much better. Then I'm going to select the plywood itself. I'm going to edit boundary. And then this time I'm going to say yes, attach. Let's take a look at the 3D view. See, and that cleaned this up. Now we want to do our finished wood floor. And for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to my section view. And I'm going to copy this floor up. So I do copy from here to here. And I'm going to edit this guy. I'm going to duplicate. And I'm going to call it 1/2 inch pine finish floor. I'm going to do edit boundary. I'm going to hit yes. So this is the plywood. And then this one is the pine. Now make sure you visit BIMitUp.com. Over there you'll be able to log in if you already have login information, or if you want to become a member, you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or with your email address. And once you're a member and you're logged in, you have access to a lot of good features. You can access your bookings from here, you can go to my programs, and even some free ones that I offer there. I'm running a little bit of a scholarship program here because I don't want money to be the reason why you cannot develop professionally. So these are all the programs that I'm a participant on, and these are the ones that I have completed. So go ahead and visit BIMitUp.com. Becoming a member is free, but I do not run ads in any of my stuff. So the creation of the content is made possible entirely from patrons and other contributions. So if you can, consider subscribing. I'll leave a link in the description of the video, and I'll see you soon.